on the strength of our NII growth, net interest income growth. So net interest income has grown by 15%, 15, and in other income, basically or fee-based income has grown by 18%, or forex income has grown by 171%, PSLC commission has grown by 383%, and there is a decline of 77% in the trading profit because of the market movements. So as a result of increase in NII and other income, our operating profit has grown by 11%. So point is that income has grown 15%, expenditure has grown only by 4%, resulting in an increase in operating profit 11%, and there is a reduction in provisions as well. So mainly because of NPA provisions. So profit before tax has grown by 116%, 116, and net profit has grown by 12%. So if you, and the return on asset 0.7%, and return on equity is 13.83%, and the cost income ratio is 44%. In fact, in the quarter, our cost of, we could contain our cost of deposit, and cost of deposit is at grown by 16 bps to 4.02, whereas the yield on advance has grown by 50 bps and reached to 7.48%. And as a result, our margin has improved to 3.20%. Asset quality is under control, and our gross, net and PCR all have improved. So gross NPA has come down from 9.56% a year back to 7.3%, and likewise the net NPA has come down to 1.50%, and there is an improvement in PCR by 776 bps, and PCR is 91%. So in sum and substance, bank business has grown 10%, deposit has grown 7%, advances has grown 14%, operating profit has grown 12%, 11%, net profit has grown 13%, and our gross and net NPA has come down substantially. So margin has improved to 3.20%. This is the sum and substance, and capital wise we are at a 16.15% as against the 11.5% of the regulatory requirement. So bank is fully or adequately capitalized. As far as digitization is concerned, as against 70% of the digital transactions a year back, it is at 82%, so 12% higher. What we have done, we have launched number of journeys for liabilities and asset side both. On the liabilities side, through tablet banking, we are acquiring saving account and current account. On a lending side, we have rolled out 12 digital offerings, which include pre-approved personal loans for salaried, pre-approved personal loan for self-employed, KCC renewal, loan against deposit, instant gold loan, health insurance, motor insurance, Shishu Mudra, KCC renewals, and all. And bank is on a digitization path, and from the HR side, we have rolled out performance management system in the bank. So that is on digital side. So digital transactions in the banks are increasing. We have opened 3 digital banking units in the last month at Delhi, Lucknow, and Karaikal. In the financial year, we have opened 14 branches, and presently we are having 5,728 branches. This is where we stand. So we are now open for any questions.